Hey sweethearts, how are you? Here is the teacher Nati, and today we're going to start with our language class and our language homeworks, okay? So, first I'm going to tell you this day. Today is Tuesday, 14th of April 2020, okay? We are in Tuesday today. So, look at here what we have today. We have language. And do you remember we make this game together? You help me with this. Match the pictures, okay? We have a firefighter, we have a doctor, and we have a chef and a male career. So we have here 4 professions, okay? And we match with the tools that they need, okay? So, and we made it. It was very, very easy. And now we're going to learn and we are going to review the vehicles that they need, okay? So, we did it too. So, please pay attention, okay? So, cada una de las profesiones tiene diferentes vehículos, ¿no es cierto, mis corazones? We're going to see these pictures. The police officer has a police car. The soldier has a tank. The firefighter drives a fire truck. The construction worker drives an excavator. The doctor drives an ambulance. The pilots fly the airplanes. A farmer drives a tractor. And a train conductor drives a train. That's very, very easy and very, very simple. So, for your homework, what you are going to do for your homework now. So, pay attention. You are going to create a vehicle, ¿ok? Van a crear un vehículo, van a imaginarse algo súper chévere y súper lindo y van a crear uno de su vehículo preferido que aquí tienen con material de reciclaje, ¿ok? Pueden hacer un avión hermoso o un tractor o un carrito de policía, ¿ok? Utilicen el material que tengan en casita, mis corazones, algo que sea de reciclaje, ¿sí? Toman una foto y le mandan a la teacher, ¿ok? Les quiero mucho, les mando un beso enorme y un gran, gran, gran abrazo, ¿ok? See you tomorrow. Bye bye, sweetheart.